Charles Dowding has many books, and one of the best ones I think is good for reading in a Saturday evening or Sunday evening is Gardening Myth and Misconceptions. It's a small book. You can put it in a pocket and take it to the train and read it there. It is published by the Green Books, which is a publisher of very good organic and gardening books. The ISBN, as you see, is here. It's beautifully produced. There's a ribbon also. It's a beautifully produced book. My copy is actually signed by Charles Dowding himself. Good to meet you, as he has written. And the content, it's published in 2014, and the contents is introduction, a web of myth and misconceptions, sowing and planting, watering, vegetable garden planning and design, annual vegetables, trees, shrubs and perennial vegetables, manuring and fertilizing, making and using compost, soil structure and care, pests, disease and weeds, and index. In total it is in I think around 100 pages, because the index starts by page 92. So less than 100 pages, a few pages less. Misconceptions in gardening. There are many. One of them that probably all of you have heard, and I heard it when I was a little kid, was that if you water your plants when the sun is high in the sky, the droplets that form cause a lens effect on the leaves and cause the leaves to burn. You may have heard it, you may be wondering how, but you didn't challenge it in your mind because this is what the authorities says, old gardeners. Now, think about it. We live in Britain, so almost every morning we can see a little bit dew on the plants. These are practically droplets of water. Early morning times. You must end up with a lot of burnt leaves on the plants. We don't see that. That's a myth. A lot of such kind of myths in this book have been busted by Charles Dowding. For example, one of the untrue myths, I'm revealing it here, you cannot make good compost if the heap is never hot. Yeah, it's only during part of the life of the heap, compost heap, it is hot. After a while it loses heat. And Charles Dowding has a lot of this kind of myth-busting anecdotes and snippets of information here. You have to read it. This is a beautifully produced book. There's a nice cover, nice jacket, dust jacket, and the price of it, you can buy it really cheap now because I think that is available in many other outlets, including ABE Books, Amazon, and from the publisher also, and from Charles Dowding himself. Nice read for this time of the year, but there is not much to do yet. Definitely a good sofa book, you can call it, or if you travel by train, read it in the train. Gardening Myth and Misconceptions by Charles Dowding.